outlet day. So I'm bringing you guys the outlet haul that I reeled in today. And I think I spent around $200, maybe $200 on 4 pair of shoes. Man, let's get into it. All right, man. We hit up 2 stores, 2 outlets, bro. Man, I must say that I'm kind of impressed with what I came through today. Again, we ain't all about the hype here on the set, bro. We cop shit because we actually like it. But without further ado, let's see what we got first. Let's see what we got. Let's go with the Nike bag. Probably gonna be my steal of the day, bro. I know, everybody like, oh, whatever, just, bruh. I ain't with all that hype shit. Again, I'm an 80s baby. A lot of this stuff brings back nostalgia, and at the original price point on these sneakers, I ain't with that. So, caught them on sale at the outlet. Let's do it. What we got here, man? We got the Nike Attack in the royal blue colorway. Yes, sir. And I know before you even go to popping off, oh, bro, them trash. No. Again, it should bring back nostalgia for me, man. I'm an 80s baby. John McEnroe, let's go. We got the Mac Attacks, bro. Of course, we got the checkered tongue there. Let's go, man. In the royal blue colorway. Sizing. Extra set of blue laces. Bruh, I paid $52 for these joints. $52. That's with the sale price and the military discount stacked on top of that. So we got these joints for a wheel of a deal. And whenever you can cop something like this, for me, at that price point, bruh, it's a must cop. So that was number one. 1995 vibes, bruh. You already know what it is, bruh. I know. Y'all watching this video like, this dude is really off his shit. Why is he making a video about these sneakers, bruh? Because they bring back a lot of memories for me. And at the original price point, the retail price point, I wasn't paying for these. Look at them though. Y'all can't tell me them joints ain't fire. If you say they ain't fire, you's a liar. Whatever. It's your opinion. This is mine, right? But here we go, man. Yes, sir. 1995 vibes, bro. I had to get these, bro. And again, at the price point, let's see what I pay for these. Let's whip out the old receipt. $70, bro. $70 at the Nike outlet. Let's go, man. That price point, bro. Why would I not pick these up? Nostalgia, style, and they look good on feet, bro. Let's go. And let's see what else I got at the Nike outlet. Nike factory outlet for the steals and the deals, bro. We didn't get there early like all the other resellers do. They get there and they go ham on all the stuff, bro. They walk out of there with 8-9 bags and stuff. We got there a little late. We got there probably about I'll say about 2 o'clock, maybe later, and they still had some stuff. I had a pair of the Miami Dolphin Dunks. I put them back. Price was $80 plus a 10% military discount. So, they would have been fairly decent, but I didn't cop them. So I copped those two. Had the shirt, had some other stuff in the bag too. But we moved on because right next door is the Converse outlet. We always go in there because everything in the Converse outlet is 40% off. 40% even. But I also get that military discount, so that makes everything in there 50% off for your boy. And yeah, gotta diversify, bro. Everything ain't about Nike, Jordan brand, and all these hype sneakers, bro. You gotta have some diversity in your collection. And what's more diverse than a pair of Converse, bro? A pair of Chucks. And we got these joints right here. I know you like, bro, what the hell wrong with you? Yo, Comme des Garçons, bro. Let's go. Yep. With the shiny. It's a brown outsole, but for your midsole there, you got that fiery red, man, with that glossy finish on it. Yeah, absolutely had to have these. And for the price point of, they was listed for $89.99, 50% off. You do the math. Why would I not take these? Had to, bro. I put them on my feet. I already knew I had to have them. Who don't need a pair of Converse in their arsenal? Bro, you got it diverse. You have to. So, look, see what else we got next. These right here, I had to have. They had these in the front of the store. I'm just showing you the box. Look at there. Chinese New Year. Let's see. And these joints I knew I had to have. And on the box, $100 price point, 50% off. You do the math. Bruh, these joints is nasty, dog. But I gotta go through and I gotta put the laces in there because it's a pair of red rope laces here that go with these, bruh. And look at that detail, dog. Come on, man. And here we go with the sneaker, dog. Look at the level of detail in that shoe, man. These are the Chinese New Year joints. More accent pieces there. Bruh, had to have them. At that price point, $50, bruh. And then you throw the laces through the sneaker. I put a picture up right here so you can see what they look like. Bruh, had to have $50, bruh. You can't beat that. Look at the outsole. Come on, man. Look at that. Yes, sir. So, yeah, again, I spent like $200, bro. $200 on all of that at the outlet, and you might be like, bro, it's all trash. To you, maybe, but again, these are just, man, at the price point, you couldn't beat it, bro. You couldn't beat it. Yeah, I could have went on StockX Goat, and the prices probably still would have been a little bit higher, but when you add on all the fees, whatever. Ain't things that I absolutely had to have, but when they 50% off, and for the Nikes, yeah, let's say probably about 35% off of those, can't beat them. So that was my Saturday, bro. We hit up 2 outlets. I got 4 pair of shoes, a shirt. You can't beat that. It was a perfect Saturday for me. So I'm getting the fuck on out of here, man. I'm your boy Money Mets. I'm gonna get on and go do something important with my life. I had a shot of whiskey somewhere around here. I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna go find that and get on that, bro. But if you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button so you can be part of the set crew. I'm your boy Money Matt, man. I'm gonna get on out of here, y'all.